Do you get ever asked about how do you come up with an idea or what are your thought process when creating an illustration? Well, I do. And that's exactly what we're gonna talk about in this video. So first off, have you ever heard of the saying, art is the artist's way to express emotion? If not, well, it is self-explanatory. It says that any form of art, whether it's music, poem, literature, painting, or anything that falls into art, is the artist's way of showing emotions. Emotions that resonates not only to themselves, but also to the audience as well. This is the exact mindset that I always use whenever I create an illustration. I was born and grew up in the province my entire life, so living out here in Manila for almost 2 years now kinda get to me sometimes. And man, I tell ya, I really miss the quiet life in the province. And this is exactly what I want this illustration to resonate to the audience. I specifically chose to draw a sarisari store because I love snacks and I love buying. And this is where most toys began. In my case, of course. Hopefully you learned something from this video, from me yapping. If you reached this part of this video, then thank you so much. We finally reached the end of the video. Hopefully you learned something. Bye bye!